Hi guys, today we will explore about changing country on Stripe. This is a simple task, and you can see we are on the home page of Stripe. From here you have to tap on the option setting, which is on the top right. After tapping on the option settings, you will be moved to the next page. And on the next page, you have to find the option account setting, which is just below to business settings. Once you will tap on the option account setting, and you will be moved further. And here you can see the option account setting. The first thing you will see here is account name. The second one is country. Third one is phone verification. And the last one is time zone. Is my selected country. But we want to change our country, so that's why we have to tap on the option account application. Once we will tap on the option account application, you will get that page where you can change your country. Now here, you have to write your all things, like you have right name, your mobile phone number, email address, phone number, country, and all the other details like bank account and more. Before submitting, make sure you write everything perfectly, and then save it. And it was the way by which you can change your country on Stripe.